Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Mabilis ang sundot nga kay Bonk, nakakuha tayo ng 4%. I-explain lang natin kung paano natin kinuha tong short position na to. So first 15 minutes time frame, primary time frame natin. Nung nakita natin itong malaking red candle na to, confirmation to take short position. And nung nakita natin yung next candle, nag-form siya ng green candle pero walang volume, so we decided to zoom na. Kung makikita natin sa 5 minutes time frame natin, since nabasag niya na yung previous higher low natin, so after niyang mag-pullback, after ng close nitong candle na to na doji, we decided to take short position and yung stop loss above lang here, this doji candle. And why we decided to exit here, so kung makikita natin sa 15 minutes time frame, after ng close nitong forming pin bar, may sumasalo na, so we decided to exit. Bakit? Since higher